so Samson come run, catty, go meet him papa and him mama. Papa, mama, I don't see woman who I won't marry. Make una come marry am for me. Hey, my people, how una dey? Welcome to Judges chapter 14. Judges chapter 14. I beg, if you never see 13, go my page, you go see am e dey there, so that you go follow the story. E dey very interesting. And then I won't beg on beg, na beg I dey beg on kneel down. Make una like, make una share, make una comment, make una follow, so that the page go grow. God bless una. So back to our story, Judges chapter 14. Now so Samson don't grow, don't become young big boy, don't dey waka. You know young boys na their head still they shark them. Now so you come they run, they walk up and down for the community. They flex himself. They enter neighboring villages too. So now he come flex, he can't go enter one particular village where they call Temnat. I say he enter there now, he can see one fine girl. Hey, as soon as I see the girl like this, he don't like the girl. Then you know he can run. Come on from there, come go back to a village, come go be papa, mama. I don't see woman I want marry you. I like him. You know those days, you when you want marry, when you see girl where you like, you know go talk to the girl. Not like today where we say we go don't undo self before we come think say we won't go talk of marriage before we go tell our parents. This one you go tell your parents first. Now your parents and then go follow you, go do the needful. Maybe son I will come marry the girl. So then you can go tell those. So someone say, which kind picking be this one? For when you say you see girl, then they say terminal. They say you don't see person for your own community, you don't see person for your own village. Now for another man village, people will not believe what you believe, people will not even believe in your God. They uncircumcised. Then you say you won't go marry. Which kind picking be this one? Then that one say, now person who I like, now I won't marry. Make gonna come here for me. The parents they no can do it to talk now. But the parents no can do one thing, say now God then put that thing for Samson eyes, say make the girl enter in eyes, because God won't use that avenue take deal with those people, because he give them small opportunity, make them work on in people. They can't over they do. Then they still they in charge of Israel, they deal with Israel. So God won't treat their fuck up. So you know say now waiting even make where them born Samson with that. So God won't use that avenue take deal with them. So now can say, oh yeah, make they go. As they reach there, my people, on their way, then they go, they don't reach for the community, almost they enter the community, then they can't see, Samson can't see one lion, young lion, we just say, young tear meets them, Samson, then Samson say, which kind of nonsense be this one? Spirit of God come enter Samson, Samson just go to hear the thing through away, like, what's it call like small picking goat, then go through away, I see don't kill and through away, then he can't shake him, but he can't clean him, but he can't walk, come back, come meet in people. I think come meet in parents, there's something, you know, tell them anything, you know, they just walk out, go. Then you can say, which kind, where did they go on? And that's say, nothing, they can't enter the village, Samson can't go talk to the girl. And I talk to the girl, finish, they can't come out, the next day they can't come out, they go back now. Only for him to go see, say, the goats, the lion way in key. Honey, bee, don't gather there, they make honey. Then because which kind of thing be this one? Now saying just sit down, take the thing, just eat, come take some, go give him parents. If you know still tell him parents anything, I say just come out their own thing, can't go. So the next time can't go back to the place, they won't go marry the girl officially. I think can't reach there. When they can say, okay, according to the ceremony where then they do now, they can't gather boys, 30 boys, say me they can't keep and company. I just can't stay with her. Then they can't stay with her, then they can't say. They can't Samson can't ask them question. Because say, okay, I go ask on one question. So waiting be that thing, baby. Say if on answer me, I will give on a plain sheet like Ankara, you know, like plain fabric where we say they never saw them. Then if on a answer also 30 pieces of it, then I will can't give on a 30 pieces of garment again. So then I also okay, bring her on. Then you can't as I say, waiting be that thing where we say if they eat and then they bring out meat. And then waiting with that way we say is strong and it bring out sweetness. Those ones say which kind of question be this one? Then they come waka come out. 3 days later they never answer the question, because the thing was 7 days. After 7 days they should be able to answer the question. If they know if you answer the question after 7 days, now then go give her those things in return. So 3 days later they never answer, and then they come say make them go meet Samson to be wife now. If he no fit answer get him husband, make it tell them waiting may be. If they go kill all in family members, then they go meet her, you can go tell her. And get come cry, come go miss and say, please help me, tell me waiting be the answer. You tell me waiting be the answer. That's why like I never even tell my papa, I never tell my mama, now you are come go tell. So which kind of thing be that one? And I will say, okay, no problem. And come when he come dey cry, no gree tell Samson. Then Samson come, Samson no gree tell am rather. Then she come cry. Samson come before this one go come die from her hand, he come tell am, he come carry the thing come go tell those ones. Then those ones come meet Samson, come tell am say wetin strong na lion, wetin sweet na honey. Those ones like so una fit play that kind of prank on me abi, no problem. Then Samson come go enter one village, for the Philistine village wey they call Ashton. Then he come go enter there, kill 30 of the Philistines, carry their sheet and their garment, come give them. I think the thing come give them. The thing in that their investigation come calm down small. As start saying you don't be able to kill them, then investigation come calm down small. So we can't go back to him village. So we can't come back again. And I don't never know wetin happen for the chapter 15. And I go see am. But the last chapter for this one be say Samson father to be can't carry the wife, can't give somebody else. Can't carry the wife, can't give somebody else. More. And I need to know wetin happen wey Samson do at the end of the day. Watch out and I go see am. God bless you. Stay lifted, stay blessed. I want you to please kindly like and follow and share the video. If it's interesting to you, kindly like and follow. And also I want to encourage you to kindly read your Bible. So back to wetin I learned from this very thing, to say God fit use any situation to do wetin he wan do. Yes, God fit use any situation to do wetin he wan do. So allow God to take action in your life. God bless you. See you in my next video. See you in the chapter 15. Stay blessed and stay lifted. Please read your Bible. It is very, very important. As I always end my videos, read your Bible. May devil no use your eye do shege. Stay blessed.